Typewriter. The typewriter was the first real keyboard before computers existed. It was invented in 1868 by Christopher Latham Sholes. When a person pressed a key, a metal arm hit an ink ribbon and printed a letter onto paper. This made writing faster and cleaner than handwriting. It also created the QWERTY keyboard layout we still use on phones and computers today. For nearly 100 years, offices, writers, and journalists depended on typewriters to make documents. Later, computers replaced them because editing text became much easier. Even though typewriters are now vintage machines, every modern keyboard still follows the idea they introduced. Mechanical keyboard. A mechanical keyboard is a computer keyboard where every key has its own physical switch. When you press a key, a spring mechanism activates and gives a clear, precise feel, sometimes with a click sound. Because of this accuracy and comfort, gamers and programmers really like mechanical keyboards. They are also very durable and can survive tens of millions of key presses. Different switch types change how the keyboard sounds and feels. However, they are heavier and more expensive than normal keyboards. Even so, many people choose them because typing feels faster, more satisfying, and more reliable for long-term use. Gaming keyboard. A gaming keyboard is designed specially for playing video games quickly and accurately. Many of them use mechanical switches so keys respond faster and last longer during heavy use. They also include features like RGB lighting, programmable buttons, anti-ghosting, and N-key rollover, which means many keys can be pressed at the same time without mistakes. Players can customize controls for different games and react instantly in competitive matches. Gaming keyboards cost more than normal keyboards, but they improve comfort, speed, and control, giving gamers a better overall experience during long gaming sessions. Wireless keyboard. A wireless keyboard works without a cable. It connects to a computer using Bluetooth or a small USB receiver through radio signals. Because it doesn't need a wire, your desk looks cleaner and you can type from a distance, which is useful for laptops, TVs, or flexible setups. Instead of using computer power, it runs on batteries or rechargeable cells, so it needs charging sometimes. Wireless keyboards are lightweight and portable, but they can have a tiny delay compared to wired keyboards. Still, they are popular because they provide convenience, mobility, and normal typing functions without clutter. On-screen keyboard. An on-screen keyboard is a virtual keyboard that appears on a device's screen, allowing users to type without a physical keyboard. It is commonly used on smartphones, tablets, and touchscreen computers, providing a convenient way to input text by tapping keys directly on the display. On-screen keyboards are especially helpful for accessibility, enabling people with mobility or physical challenges to type using alternative methods, like a mouse, stylus, or touch gestures. They often include predictive text, autocorrect, and customizable layouts to speed up typing, and can be switched between different languages or keyboard styles, making them versatile for a wide range of users. Flexible keyboard. A flexible, or rolling, keyboard is a portable keyboard made from soft, bendable materials like silicone, allowing it to be rolled or folded for easy storage and transport. Despite its flexible design, it functions like a regular keyboard, connecting to computers or tablets via USB or Bluetooth. These keyboards are often water and dust resistant, making them durable for travel or outdoor use. Their lightweight and compact nature makes them ideal for people who need a full keyboard on the go without the bulk of traditional keyboards, and they are especially popular for mobile workstations, classrooms, and environments where space is limited. Ergonomic keyboard. An ergonomic keyboard is designed to reduce strain and increase comfort during typing by promoting a more natural hand, wrist, and arm position. Unlike traditional keyboards, it often features a split layout, curved shape, or adjustable angles to minimize repetitive stress injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome. Ergonomic keyboards may also include cushioned wrist rests and keys arranged to follow the natural movement of fingers, making long typing sessions less tiring. They are widely used by office workers, gamers, and anyone who types extensively, helping improve posture, prevent discomfort, and support long-term musculoskeletal health. Projected keyboard. A projected, or laser, keyboard is a virtual keyboard that uses a laser or infrared projection to display a keyboard layout onto a flat surface, allowing users to type by tapping the projected keys. It connects to devices like smartphones, tablets, or computers via Bluetooth or USB and detects finger movements using sensors or cameras. This type of keyboard is highly portable, extremely compact, and eliminates the need for a physical keyboard, making it ideal for mobile work or travel. Although typing speed may be slightly slower than on traditional keyboards, projected keyboards offer a futuristic, space-saving solution with customizable layouts and compatibility across multiple devices.